If you need to reset your password for NewBridge Bank, follow these straightforward steps to regain access to your account. Step 1. Visit the NewBridge Bank website. Open your web browser and go to the official NewBridge Bank website. Look for the login section on the homepage. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. In the login area, locate and click on the Forgot Password link. This will direct you to the password reset page. Step 3. Enter your information. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Check your email. After submitting your information, check your email inbox for a password reset link from NewBridge Bank. Make sure to also check your spam or junk folder if you don't see it. Step 5. Create a new password. Follow the link in the email to access the password reset page. Enter your new password, ensuring it meets the security requirements, and confirm it before submitting. Once you have completed these steps, you should be able to log in with your new password. If you encounter any issues, consider contacting customer support for further assistance.